everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet this cute little ghost that I used for one of my Halloween blankets, but of course you can use this applique for whatever project you want. For materials, you'll need some white worsted weight yarn, a little bit of black yarn, a tapestry needle, and a G or 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. We're going to start with the white yarn and make a magic ring. Chain 1 and make 10 half double crochets into the ring. Once you have your 10 half double crochets, go ahead and pull your ring tight, and we are going to join to that very first half double crochet. So that first chain 1 that we did is not going to count as a stitch. Chain 1, and for the second round we will do 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. So for the first round we have 10 half double crochets, and then in this second round, since we are doing 2 half double crochets in each of those stitches, we will end up with 20 half double crochets. Once you've done 2 half double crochets in each stitch around for round 2, we're going to join to the very first half double crochet, and that basically completes the head of the ghost. We're going to chain 1, and starting in that very first space, we are going to crochet 7 across. So 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to keep going until we have 7. So here I have 7 half double crochets across. Chain 1, turn your work, and we are just going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch across, and that will give us 7 stitches. And once you've completed that row, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. So now we're working on the body of the ghost. And this is actually going to be our last row. We're going to do the little bumps on the bottom. So we have our chain 2 here, and then in this very first stitch, we're going to do 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet all into the next stitch. So double crochet, and then half double crochet into that same stitch. In the next stitch, we're going to do a slip stitch and a double crochet in that same spot. In the next stitch, we're going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet. Double crochet and half double crochet into that same spot. And you can see the little bumps forming. Here's the first bump, and we're working on the second bump here. The next stitch, slip stitch and double crochet into that same stitch. Next stitch, double crochet and half double crochet all into that same stitch. And then in the very last stitch here, we are going to make a slip stitch. And once you've done your slip stitch, go ahead and chain 1 to fasten off. And that is the main part of the ghost. And then for the eyes, you're just going to need a tapestry needle and some black yarn. So here I have my tapestry needle and some black yarn, and I'm just going to make 2 lines for the eyes. So I'm going to go between the first and the second round of the head, about there, halfway. And then I'm going to go 2 stitches up to create that first line for one of the eyes. And I'm gonna go through it twice. So it's gonna look something like that. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And there the little ghost is completed. Of course you want to tie it off and weave in all your ends, but that is how you make a little ghost applique. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.